Hi guys, in this session I'm going to show you how to record your lessons on PowerPoint ready to send to your students or upload on YouTube. So let's start the session. So I'm now on my PowerPoint lesson. I'm ready to record. I am on the home tab. In order to be able to record, you need to go to slideshow. So click slideshow, and then from there you click record slideshow. So we need to click that, and you'll have two options: record from current slide or record from beginning. Well, I'm already on my starting slide, so it doesn't really matter where I select what I select. So I'll just select record from current slide, and this is the recording area. So I can now start to record. So let's go around and get ourselves familiar with this recording screen. To start with, from the top left you have record. So that is what you press when you're ready to record. You stop. You can replay what you have recorded. So you, for example, if you want to stop, pause, and then start again, you can do that. On this right hand side, if you have recorded something and if you don't like it, you just press that and you get the option to clear current slide or to clear all your slides that you have recorded. So that is that option. On settings, you can choose your microphones if you have different microphones. I have a USB microphone, and I also have a Microsoft Livecam camera. So if you want to show your face, you need some sort of camera. You might have one on your laptop, but if you are using a desktop, maybe you do need a webcam. So then down here at the bottom, what you have a laser pointer. You can point out where you want your students to focus, so C, and then you have eraser down here. The next one, you have a pen. You can choose whatever color you want, and then you have a highlighter. So I will come back to these in a minute. On the bottom right, you have a microphone which you can turn on and off, and then you have your camera, which you can turn on or off if you want to show your face. So let's see how this works. If I press that, you should be able to see me. Hi, that's me. So if you want to show your face as you teach, go ahead and do that. If you want to hide it, you just need to press that again. Now, I particularly don't like the Microsoft application because they do flip the camera. So you can have a look at this. If I want to point left, it points to the right. So I end up getting confused, and I don't really like to use it. So I just switch this off completely. Right, so when you are ready to record, then you just press record. What you need to remember is that if you want to show your face, you need to switch this on. You need to have this on before you press record. Otherwise, you may not get the option once you start recording. Okay, I'm going to leave mine off. Now, just to go over the pens again. So I've chosen a pen at the moment. Let's say I like this green here, and I'll just write math. If I don't like it, I can choose an eraser and I can just rub this out. I can choose a highlighter. So let's say I like this yellow one and I want to highlight maybe today's title, and if you don't like it, you can go ahead and erase it again, but I'm just going to leave it and choose a pen. A purple one, I like purple. Right, so I'm now ready to record my lesson. I'm going to go and press record. Hi students, today we are going to learn about factorizing. So in the last lesson we did expanding and simplifying expressions. So we're going to expand this double bracket. You have 2 minutes to do it. Right, so hopefully everyone has managed to complete the question, and now we're going to correct it. So if you work this out, you will get x squared plus 3x plus 9x plus 27. So this then will give you x squared plus 12x plus 27. So make sure you mark with your green pen, guys, and well done. Let's go to the next slide. Today's title then is factorizing. Hopefully you know what that is, or I will explain in a minute. We're going to factorize linear expressions. So we have 4x plus 12. What is common between 4x and 12? Well, 4 and 12 are multiples of 4. So what can we do then? Well, we can take the 4 out and open a bracket, and then what do we need to put here in order to get 4x? Well, we need our x, we got plus there, and what do we need to get a positive 12? Well, I've got 4 out there, so 4 times what is plus 12? Well, we need 4 plus 3. So that is the end of this lesson, and see you again, guys. So once I've done with my lesson, I can press stop and then just press escape. So I'm now ready to go and create my video. So go to file and then export and then create a video, and then over here you will have a couple of options: full HD or ultra HD, which is 4K. I don't want to do that because my computer can't cope with that and the file will be too large. So I'm going to choose just full HD, and then I will say create a video. So now the video, I need to select a location where I want to save my video. I'm going to save on my desktop, and I've got PowerPoint recording, and select that and give it a name, PowerPoint recording final. And then I'm going to save it. So down here on the bottom, you can see is creating my video. It's creating video, PowerPoint recording, MP4. So it's a bit slow at the moment, but if you have a faster computer, that will take not that long, depending on how much you record, of course. So guys, you need to be a bit patient with this, because if your computer is slow like mine, it does take a while to put all your video together, ready to send off. So at the moment it's halfway. Right, so my video has now been all compiled and ready to see. So you do need to close this in order to see your video. I'm not going to save it. So I've saved mine here on PowerPoint recording. It's right there. Let's open it. Hi students, today we are going to learn about factorizing. So in the last lesson we did expanding, and since we did the x squared plus 12, or I will explain in a minute. We're going to factorize linear. We have 4x. Right guys, so you see the point. I'm now going to come off this and close the file, and this file is now ready to send to your students or upload to YouTube. In the next session, what I will show you how to edit your video in Microsoft application. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoy the video, remember to press like and subscribe. Bye for now.